Okay, the drink we're about to make is called Fiery Balls of Death. Now, this is going to be a shot, and if you want to light it on fire, you want to put everything in the order that I'm about to do it. If you can't light it on fire, might as well just chill it and make it a nice, tasty shot, right? That is what we will do. Put some ice in a glass here and measure out one shot of 151. And next we'll add a shot of Everclear grain alcohol. And finally a shot of triple sec. All right, let's go ahead and mix these up real well. And nice and cold. All right. Grab your shot glasses. And we'll go ahead and strain that in there. 2 shots of Fiery Balls of Death. There we go. Bottoms up.